question, I can also ask counter. So get ready, guys. Yeah,
Sunil?
because 2023 paper is one of the toughest paper actually. Not one of the, is the toughest paper actually. Yes, till now. But see how will I play with this paper? You will see today. I will play just like cards.
See,
Till have you started?
yeah.
Hmm. So guys, today we are going to discuss a 2023 paper. One of the, not one of the toughest paper of UPSC set till now. But we will solve with common sense. We will not use formula and all, just common sense. And in my method, there are two approaches. First, understand the pattern, not focus on the process. Second, if a question has a statement in difficulty, means to understand the statement is it difficulty, so go for the options or vice versa. So two things. That is my approach to solve the CSAT actually. Now we will understand with the question itself. So let's see which is the first question. Hmm. This is the first question. Read Priyal.
Hmm. A box
Priyal,
contain
read.
14 A box contain 14 black, 20 blue ball, and 26 green ball, 28 yellow balls, and 38 red balls, and 54 white balls. Consider the following statement.
Hmm.
The smallest number n such that an n ball drawn from the box randomly must contain one full group of least one color in 175.
Hmm.
And the smallest number m such that any M ball drawn from the box randomly must contain at least one ball for each color is 167.
Hmm. You know what? Here in this question, they are asking maximum and minimum number. So guys, one thing always remember. Here question is saying, okay, how much, how many numbers we have to pick up the balls? It must contains at least. So if they are asking at least, na, so means we have to go in the worst case, guys. I told you this case, worst case, worst case. So guys, here, total how many balls we have? 14 black balls, 20 blue balls, and 26 green balls, 28 yellow balls, and 38 red balls, and 54 white balls. If you count all these, so you will get actually around 180. 180 are total balls. Now, the smallest number n such that any n balls drawn from the box randomly must contain one ball full of at least one color is 175. So basically, we have to find out what what we have to find out here? Every color we have to find out the smallest number yes that any n was done from the box randomly must contain one full group of at least one color each 175. It means we have total how many groups? Black, blue, green, yellow, red,
Five.
white. Right? So do one thing, guys. Here, do one thing. You know what you have to do? Tell. Can you guys tell here the answer? Bhagya, tell how to solve this question.
We'll put in a permutation one, Manish.
No,
See
no
if you
permutation.
no if you take out now to cover
Hmm.
all groups, only one is left, right?
Yes, good. You
So
know what?
six
So
groups are
yes,
there.
nice. See, you reduce one ball from each group, so it will become 174. Now you add any number from any group plus one, so at least one group become complete.
175.
Any group will complete.
Hmm.
So minimum 175 is needed actually. Very good question. Second, the smallest number m such that any m balls drawn from the box randomly must contain at least one ball of each type. So suppose that the total we have 180 balls, right? So you remove the smallest number that is black. So
14.
so yeah, so it is 166 is left, right? Now you add plus one, you will get 167. Now we have what? At least one ball of
At least
each color
one
actually.
color ball.
Yeah.
Why
So
Hmm.
you're
here the
adding
answer,
plus one here? Tell.
Priyal,
If
C. Tell Bhagya, you tell.
Priyal, if you take out 166, maybe 14 balls are left. Maybe the 14 balls all are black. So black you can't take out, right? At last,
Hmm.
at 166th ball.
Hmm.
So
See, Priya. Hmm. We
if
have
you
to go
left
in the
13
listen,
balls,
listen. We have to go in the bust case. See, question is saying must contain at least one wall of each color. So we have taken 166, but one color is still missing. Now the color which I have left, that is black. Now I will add one. Now in this 167, we have at least one ball of each color. This is what question is saying. Real, if you watch this video again, you will understand actually.
No, no,
And
I
I think I
got
have
it.
told this question earlier as well. Hmm. Read Bhagya this question.
if 0 is written as chore, then how is player is written?
Very good, very easy question. There is no need to waste the time actually. Z. Z
20.
is C. It means ki
E
plus 3, plus 3. So then E, yes, plus 3. So yes,
plus
plus 3. P plus 3 equal to yes. L plus 3 equal to O. Then A plus 3 equal to D. Then R plus, sorry,
y
then
plus 3 is equal to
Y plus
B.
equal to B. Then E plus 3 equal
E
to
plus
yes.
3 is
Then
equal
R
to
plus 3 equal
H.
to U. So it is a D answer. Just a plus 3 you have to add. That is the pattern. I told you, na, you have to recognize the pattern only. That is what. Repeat question number third.
How many statements given above are required to determine the oldest person or person?
See, this is the statement, guys. Now, question is saying how many statements are enough to determine the oldest person. See, guys, you know what? In these types of question, guys, be very careful because this is a blood relationship question, but very careful. You know what? They have given how many person total are there? I think one, two, three, four, five, six,
4.
right? Yes, six.
ABCD.
Six are total person, right? And guys, here E is the youngest. So I put here E. E is the youngest, right? Then what question is saying? C and D are of the same age. C and D are the same age. F is younger than D. F is younger than D. Okay. A is older than B. F is older than A. F is older than A. And A is older than B. So yes, B, A, F, and C and D equal. So actually all statements are required to answer the question because C and D are the same age. So they are the oldest. So like this is how you have to find out the answer. First you have to means separately they have to find out the answer like that. Easy question, but be what? Peaceful. Question number 4 actually. Hmm. Read Bhagya.
Consider the following, including the question and the statements. There are
Hmm.
5 members A, B, C, D, E in a family. What is
Hmm.
the relation of E to B?
Hmm. See,
Statement
okay.
1.
Okay, now this is data sufficiency question, guys. Very tough question actually. Tough question not because of this. Tough question because of this. Actually. But guys, be careful. Don't worry. In blood relationship question, guys, one thing always remember. We need to have gender, that is male or female. Question is saying the relations between E to D, the relation between E to D. So let's analyze. See, guys, if you make the diagram, now it will take time, but I will tell you a smart approach. Guys, here is B, but no is there. E is here. So E relationship is D. So D is here. Now D relationship is now okay. D is there, but A relationship is here. So basically, B need all the statement. Actually, B need all the statement. You guys have not understood now. Now
Got
let
it.
me see. I would have solved like that, but I will show you by solving. See, A and B are married couple, but I don't know who is female or who is male. D is the father of C. Okay, A and C are sister. Now I understood that this is female and this is male because they are sister. Okay. Now question is saying it means D is the father of C. D is the father of C. D is the father of C. It means ki that is also father of C. Okay. And E is D son. E is D son means they are brother actually. E is D son. Okay. Now question is saying E relation between E to B. Yes, brother-in-law. So we need all the statement. They are brother-in-law. So So guys, see, you have wasted this much time, but I would have solved like that, what I told you earlier. So we need what? All the four statement actually. This is the answer actually. See guys, this is the easiest question. Real, here the question is saying what? Different from the others. They are the four groups, guys. Guys, if you want to clear the C set, you should have good command over number system. I repeat, number system. This is number system, guys. Guys, if you analyze the and recognize these numbers carefully, so this is all the prime number, all prime number. 91 is not prime number because 91 has factor. So basically, this is different. Very easy question actually. Okay, this question, guys, again easy question. Very easy question. See, they have give. See, guys, now you have to recognize the number here. 7, 9, 10, then 8. Guys, if you waste time, na, so it will kill your time actually. But guys, one thing always remember, when the digit are in the same value and result is also in same value, it means that there is only one chance. You know what? They have added the digit. So 7, 9, 16, 16, 10, 26. 26 plus 8. It means they are adding the digit. So here you can do. So 23 to 27 and then 15. So it is so 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is the answer.
6.
It means they are adding the digit actually. That's what they are doing, guys. Read Priyal this question.
Let x be a positive integer such that 7x plus 96 is divisible by x. How many value of x are possible?
Are possible, guys. This is
It's
difficult question.
positive.
If your basic is big, this is difficult question if your basic is big, guys. Guys, they have given this number 7x plus 96, and it is divisible by 6. So it means 7x plus x is also divisible by 7x is also divisible by x, and 96 is also divisible by x. Any doubt here? No doubt. So guys, here I don't know 7x. So let's solve 96 because see, if I will found the value of x by 96, so the same value I can put 76 as well. So the value is the same. So now let's analyze the factor of 96. So factor of 96 means what? 1 into 96, 2 into 46, 3 into 32, 4 into 24, 5 into, no, not 5 actually. 6 into 16, I think. Then 8 into 12, I think. Now 12 into 8. Now it is repeated. So basically, how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is the answer. So guys, this is the easiest method to solve this question. Because if 7x plus 96 is getting divided by x, it means this 96 is also getting divided by x, and that is why you have to find out the factor of 96. Then you will get the 96. Sorry, 12. That's what you have to do. Read Bhagya this question.
If PQ, R, and S are distinct single-digit positive numbers, what is the greatest value of P plus Q in
Guys, I told you, right? My best
difference?
Closer the value,
Closest
higher the
higher.
value. Closer the value, higher the value. Guys, here single largest digit basically, because we have to find out the greatest value. So first we need to have what? We need to have what? Greatest number as well. So let's analyze actually. So here what you can do, 9, 8, 7, 6. These numbers are the largest single digit number, guys. Now we have to arrange them. So guys, we know one thing, that the closer the value, higher the value.
9
So
plus 7, 8 plus 6.
No, Priya, 9 plus 6.
9 plus 6.
9 plus 6 and 8 plus 7. So it will become 15 and 15. Multiply you. Guys, this is what they are checking, guys, here. So guys, identify the pattern, guys. I told you. They are not difficult actually. Read Priya, 17.
A number n is formed By writing 9 for 99 times, what is the remainder of n if it is divided by 13?
Very good question. Actually, they are checking your common sense. In fact, you know what? Question is saying you write 99 times, then divided by 13 and tell the remainder. Is it possible humanly? Not
No.
possible. That's why, guys, we have to find out the pattern. Guys, one thing always remember: UPSC loves these three numbers: 7, 11, and 13. UPSC loves this number. You can write in your diary actually. Guys, if you write any digit 6 times, right? If you write any digit 6 times, like 1 or 2 or 3, any number, and if you divide by 13, so the remainder is 0. You can check. So if I write 9 6 times and I divide by 13, so the remainder will be 0. But the question is saying we have to write 99 times. So 99 you can divide by 6. So I think here 36 3 3 9 is remaining actually. 3 9 is remaining. So now 3 9 is easy to divide by 13. So divide. So here 13. Right, and then the 13 6. 6. Here 11 remaining. This is the answer. See guys, we had to write 99 times. This is not humanly possible. What examiner is giving hint that you should know these things. Okay, that if you write any digit 6 times and you divide by 13, the remainder will be 0. So from there I have find out what pattern. So 99 times we have divided by 6, so 3 9 is remaining. Now I have divided 3 9 by 13, the result is 11. That is what you need to find out actually. And now from this pattern, if you see ask in future, so people will not be able to solve this question. So now who is you in mistake? Not examiner, it is you, because they have already asked one earlier. And why you not analyze? But this is the useful of the PYQ. Read Bhavya.
Each digit of 9-digit number is 1. It is
Hmm.
multiplied by itself. What is the sum of the digits of
The digit
resulting
of
number?
the resulting number. See guys, very interesting question. You know what? See, question is saying you write 1 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
81.
7, 8, 9. Right?
Hmm.
Then again write 1 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now what is the result? You add all the digit. Then tell the answer. Guys, this is not humanly possible, right? So guys, use common sense again, right? So guys, if you add all these
9 will
119
come.
times, so here 9 and here
9
also
will come.
9. So
Right, right.
multiply means 81. So whatever will the answer, it will be in the multiple of 9 actually. So this is not divisible by 9. This is also not. This is not only. This is divisible. So guys, see, examiner is directly giving hint here. Why people are not able to identify, I don't know actually. Anyway, read Priyal.
What is the sum of
Please.
all digits which appear in the integer from 10 to 100?
Really, what examiner is asking actually? Examiner is asking that k 10 to 10 to
Hmm.
100.
Double
How many
digit.
digits will appear? You have to add all the digits and sum. Oh my god. And the option is so close. I cannot do humanly actually, but I have common sense, and that's what I have to use. See guys, let's find out how many digits are there. So guys, from 10 to 100, 1 will appear 20 times, 2 will appear 19 times,
19.
3 will appear 19 times, and even 9 will appear 19 times.
19.
So guys, have you understood? Okay, if I will remove 1 from here and I will take 1 plus here, then they are in the multiple of 19. It means whatever answer will be, that will be in multiple of 19 and plus 1. Okay, let's check. So if you multiply 855 by 19, so you will get 76 and here 9. This is completely divide. So this is not the answer actually, because we have to find out the plus one. So this is completely divide. So this is not, cannot be the answer. Now plus one is added here. It means that will be the answer. Guys, this is the easiest method. Otherwise, there's a formula as well. This formula. That will take time to find out the answer. So guys, this is the easiest method to solve this question. Read Bhagya. This question.
ABCD is a square. 1 point on each of AB and CD. And two distinct points on BC and DA are chosen. How many distinct triangles can be drawn using any 3 point as a vertices out of these 6 points?
See guys, question is saying that this is a square. All right. A, B, C, D. 1 point on each of AB. Here 1 point. 1 point. Two distinct points on each of BC. 2 point. Okay, 2. So total how many points are there, Bhagya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. And we have to what frame? Triangle.
Triangles.
So triangle has
3.
3
3.
sides.
So
18.
you saw. So 3 2 just 6, 5 4 just 20. 20 is the answer. Easiest by question, I think. Yes. Okay. Where is the next question actually? Yes. Read this question, Priyal.
3 of the 5 positive integer PQRST are even and 2 of them are odd. Consider the following. P plus Q plus R minus S minus T are definitely even, and second 2P plus Q 2R minus 2S plus T is definitely odd.
See guys, this is very basic number system question, guys. If you are a smart now, you can bring the answer in just 2 seconds. But you know, guys, if you take the value, okay, I will take P value like this, that is not possible. See guys, there are total 5 numbers, and out of them 3 is even and 2 is odd. So guys, if you add any 2 numbers, the result will always be even. You want to check? 3 plus 5 equal to 8. See, so there are 2 odd number. So either you plus or minus. If you add two odd number or minus 2 odd number, the result will always be even. And 3 already are even. So this is definitely right. There's no need to prove by the taking value actually, right? It will kill your time. So first is right. Now they have multiplied by 2. So guys, by multiplying by 2, they have increased the possibility of being more even. Because if you multiply 2 with any number, either odd or even, the result will be always even. You can see. So it means it should be more even. They are saying odd. So second is wrong. First is right. That's the answer. All right. Read Bhagya.
Which one, Manish? 25. Consider the following in respect of prime numbers P and composite numbers C.
See guys,
P plus C.
what I will do, because they have given can be. So I will mark all of them are right, because can be means if I will prove
Only
under
one of
only
them
one
will be right.
circumstance. Yeah, if I will prove only under one circumstance, that will be right. But guys, just let's solve it. So guys, let's say P is a prime number, right? So let's say 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Then Q is a composite number. So here 4 can be, 6 can be, 8 can be, 9 can be, like that. Now take any number. So let's say I'm taking a, basically I'm taking a from here 2 and 6. So 2 plus 6 and 2 minus 6. So the result will be what? 8 plus. So yes, can be even. Yes. Now they multiply by 2. So it will become already what? For example, 2 2 is 4, and C I can take what? C I can take any number. For let's say 9. So it will become 13. So this is also odd. And this can also be odd. For example, I can take a 3 here and 9. So 3 and 9 equal to 27. So guys, only one condition you have to prove actually. Under only one condition, if you use the answer can be. So guys, this kind of answer actually never wrong actually when there's a can be. But guys, be careful as well, because UPSC, I don't know what they will do, but generally it can be means that they are all always right generally. Anyway, read Priyal.
A three-digit number ABC on multiplication with D.
Priyal.
I was reading. Three-digit number ABC on multiplication with D gives 37 DD, where A, B, C, D are different non-zero digits. What is the value of A plus B plus C?
See guys, you know what question is saying that A plus A, B, C. If you multiply by D, you will get this actually. But you know what? Some people use their extra mind and they will get fail actually. They will think here, "Okay, what I will do here. Guys, the answer is not here, right? The answer is here. Because the examiner is giving him that D is 3 times actually. So if you have brain, use that brain. So guys, I cannot take a value of D less than 3 because there's a 37. So definitely D value 4. So if I take the value of D as a 4, so the answer will be 3, 7, 4, 4. Now this is the divisor. So divide. So you will get the what? Dividend. So it is, I think, 936. So 936 means what?
A, B,
Add them.
C.
9, 9, 3, 12, 12, 6, 18. This is the answer. So guys, here is the catch. Don't put value here because see, D value cannot be less than 3 because if you take even the value of A as a 9, so 9 3 is 27, 7 is there only, but here is 37. It means we have to go beyond 30. So beyond 30 we have to go at least 4 actually. I don't know okay, more than 4, but at least 4 is needed. So I have put it and I have got the answer. I think this is the easiest question. This is what I have got actually. Yes. Any doubt here?
Oh, Manish.
Solve this question. Sorry, read this question.
For
This.
any choices of value of XYZ, the six-digit number of the form XYZ is divisible by.
Guys, I told you, right? QPSC love this number. 7, 11, and 13. Guys, if you see any number in this form, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, it means 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So they will always be divisible by 7, 11, 13. Because here is the multiple of, they are all multiple of 1001. If you have not understood, na, I will prove, don't worry. See, X by Z and X by Z. I can write like that as well. X by Z. So here X by Z I can take. So here, so it will become what? X by Z and 1001 will be the common actually. So this 1001 is a multiple of 7, 11, 13. So this is the answer. So guys, I think the better is that you mug up this thing. I told you now UPSC always repeat. See, in a single paper they have written 2 times this number. So size 7, 11, and 13. UPSC love this number. I don't know why they love. I think this is phone number of anybody. I don't know. It's okay. Read this question, Priyal.
125 identical cubes are arranged in the form of a cubical block. How many cubes are surrounded by the other cubes from each side?
From each side.
Cube square.
See guys,
Cube square.
this is cube question. You know what? So guys, generally what I do, I avoid the cube question. I avoid the cube question actually, because you know what? People use the formula here. But if you know the formula, then use the formula. Because here 125 cubes are there. So cube formula is the what? A cube. So a value will be what? 5. Now, guys, you have to find out here surrounded by all the cube from all the sides. It means they are asking the inner side. So there is one formula, guys. N minus 2, this formula is there. So N means what? 5 minus 2, 3.
27.
So here 3 into 3, the answer will be 27. So this is the only formula you need, guys. When they ask in cube, you tell the cubes from surrounded by all the sides. So use this formula, N minus 2 power cube. This is what actually. Read Bhagya.
How many distinct 8-digit number can be formed by arranging the digits of Numbers double one, double two, double three, double four, such that odd digits occupy odd positions and even digits occupy even positions.
See, guys, they are 8-digit number actually, right? So, okay, right, 8 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you know that okay, they are in order. So, this will be odd, this will be even, this will be odd, this will be even, this will be odd, even, right? Okay. So, guys, they are saying basically कि odd digit occupy odd position and even digit occupy even position. So, guys, tell me how many odd are there? Four. Four odd are there. So, guys, here 1 is 2 times and 3 is also 2 times, guys. So the number which is repeated, you have to divide by the that again. So 1 is repeated 2 times, 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 3 repeated 2 times, so again 2 factorial. Now even number is 4. So again 2 is repeated 2 times, so divided by 2 factorial, and 4 repeated 2 times, divide 2. Now if you will solve it basically, so you will get like that. Like that, something like that actually. So 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4 gone. So 3 2 is 6 and 3 is 6, 6 6 is 36. This is the easiest method to solve this question basically. Yes, guys, I told you if you find the number and they are asking for the arrangement, so that has to be going the permutation. Always remember, I told you. Can now if they are asking, if you have given a number and they are saying to arrange, so this is also always permutation, and that's what I have done. Hmm.
One
Read, Priya.
more I have now. Why
Hmm.
don't you put here 8C4 like this?
Real,
Because
this is
see,
number,
eight
right?
spaces are there, and you have to arrange in the matter of 4 4.
Real, they are saying separately कि how many odd digits and how many even digits separately, right? If they would have asked that कि how many ways these 8 number can be arranged, then you would put it 8 P3 like that. They are saying कि
8C4.
odd digit separately and even digit separately. So basically, good question you have asked. Okay, next. Read, Real, this question.
ABC working independently can do a piece of work 8, 16, 12 respectively. A alone works on Monday, B alone works on Tuesday, C alone works on Wednesday. A alone again works on Thursday, and so on. Consider the following statement. The work will be finished on Thursday, the work will be finished on 10 days.
So guys, basically this is the actually time in work question. Guys, this is not difficult actually. Guys, whenever you find this number, na, always take the LCM. So if you take the LCM of 8, 16, 14, you will get something like 48. So first thing what you have to do here, you know what? You have to find out the efficiency. So efficiency means what? Okay, 8 6 ja, then 16 3 ja, then 12 4 ja. So these are the efficiency, guys. So they are starting from the Monday, right? So here Monday will be 6. Then B works on Tuesday. So here Tuesday will be 3. Then Wednesday this 4. So guys, in 3 days, how many works have been done? 6, 3, 9, and 13. So in 3 days, 13, right? So 6 days, 26, 9 days, 39. We have 48. It means now again A will work. So here it means, guys, 9 days have gone and we have only 39 units work. Now 10 days we will have again 6 plus. So it will become what? 45.
45.
Now 11 days we will have what? 3 here. So here in 11 days
51.
it will be finished. And question is saying 10 days. So second is wrong. Now the work will be finished on Thursday. So guys, yeah, total 11 days. So you already know that is 7 plus 4. So since Monday is starting now, so 4 yet. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It means first is right. Very easy question actually. Guys, if you solve yourself, you will get the answer very well. Yes. So this is where is the next question?
Manish, how Monday? See, it was started Monday, right?
Yeah. So Monday to Monday 7. Then see, so Monday, Tuesday,
Monday
Wednesday,
to
Thursday.
6
okay.
is there, no?
Hmm. Again, in doubt? Tell you if
Hmm.
in doubt. No problem. I will tell.
Monday to Sunday, 7 days. Okay.
Yes. Hmm. Good question actually I've asked because there is a confusion actually here. I know that. Okay, read this question, Bhagya.
Raj has 10 pairs of red, 9 pairs of white, 8 pairs of black shoes in a box. If he randomly picks shoes one by one without replacement from the box to get a red pair of shoes to wear,
What is
what
the
is the
maximum
maximum
number?
number attempt?
Very nice question, guys. You know what question is saying that? Okay, guys, we have first let's analyze. See, guys, don't get afraid, right? First, let's analyze what question is asking. Red pairs we have 10, right, Priya?
10.
So 10 pairs means 20 shoes, right? And white we have 9 pairs, means 18. And black we have 8, it means 16. Any doubt here? No doubt, right? Now, till how many totals are there here? This 54, right? But listen, guys, what question is saying. If you randomly pick shoes one by one, guys, not pair by pair. I repeat, not
One
pair
by
by
one.
pair, one by one. That's why I have find out this number actually, right? From the works to get a red pair of shoes. Red means what? This. So what is the maximum number of attempts he has to make? Again, worst scenario. We have to go in the first scenario. So suppose that he has to take a, he has taken a 16 black and 18 white. So this is a 34. But he has not got even a single shoes of red yet. But guys, now now
Two
because
more we have to
there
take out.
there there is one left shoes and one right shoes. So suppose that okay, 10 he has picked up and that is only left. So left he cannot be here. So now there's one needed one more. So that is 45. The answer will be 45. Guys, here is catch. 34 plus 2, 36. They have also given the answer 36. But guys, if there's only right, then because we need both, na, right, left combination.
So in
That
this we have to take out now out of 54 we have to take out the 20. Within 20 we have to take out, right? Within the red pair.
yes,
So
yes.
how
First,
you brought it 45 in that?
Pair, Priyal, pair.
Pair only I'm
See, if
saying,
you take,
Bhavya.
no, here if you are taking out from 36, you will take out all left shoes you can't wear, right?
hmm, because we have
So
left
pair
and
up
and,
with
and,
right.
and right side, Priyal, na? You wear the slipper, right? So see, left and right, Priyal. So suppose that out of 20 we have taken only left side. Then I cannot be here. Now we need one more. So it is 45 actually. See, they have caught you. 36 they have given. I think most of the people will get confused. I'm sure about that. Bhagya, any doubt?
No, Manish.
Real?
No.
Guys, this is very interesting question. I like this question. Just need common sense and nothing else. Read, Priyal.
In how many ways can a batsman score exactly 25 runs? By scoring single runs, fours, and sixes only, irrespective of the sequence of scoring shots.
See,
This you
guys,
told.
number is very big actually and very close as well. So while counting, guys, be very careful. See, guys, how I'm looking at the option, guys, and that's what you guys have to do as well, guys. Be careful while solve the question, guys. Be careful and don't take any question as a lightly, guys, because that's the question which will be wrong actually when you will take lightly, guys. Here, the question is saying where is the page actually. I need to page. Wait. Hmm. Guys, the question is saying we have to made 25 runs and we have only 1, 4, and 6. So, guys, how many numbers I will take 6 as 4? It will never make up 25. It means by default we have to take one every time. Any doubt here?
No.
Hello? Hmm. Now, guys, how to start actually? So let's start always with highest number. So let's start with 6. So
Take
here
it
is
as
6.
0.
Hmm. So let's start with 6. 6, this is remaining, and this is 4, and this is total weight, right? Because we have to take a one every time. That's why I am not considering one here. Because whatever I will take, 4 or 6, one I have to take by default. So that's why I'm not taking the one here. Because you should ask this question, guys. Okay. Now see, suppose I have taken 0. So B have 25 runs. So how many 4 maximum I can take? 6. But it may be that I cannot keep in a single 4. So it is so 7 base total. Then how many? Then again, let's increase 1, 6. Then number is 19. So how many 4 I can take maximum? 4. But it may be that I cannot give a single 4. So total 5 base are there. Maybe I will take 2, 6. Then the number remaining 13. So how many maximum 4 I can take? 3. And maybe I will not take even a single. So it will become 4 ways actually. Then 3. So the number remaining 7. How many maximum 4 I can take? 1. And maybe I cannot even single. So the number will be what? 2. Then maybe I can take maximum 4 and not more than 4 guys. Because 6 4 ja 24. So only 1 is remaining actually. So 1 I can take. So there's one way. If you count all the number guys, 7, 5, 12, 12 and 16, 16 to 18, 18 plus 1, 19. This is the answer guys. This is the easiest way to solve this question guys. Always remember. Read Bhagya this question.
There are 4 letters and 4 envelopes, and exactly one letter is to be put in exactly one envelope with the correct address. If letters are randomly inserted into the envelopes, then consider the following statements. It is possible that exactly one letter goes into an incorrect envelope. There are only 6 ways in which only 2 letters can go into correct envelope.
Very good question, guys. I like this question actually. Let's
Real
understand.
listener, this one you missed. This is only one.
Hmm. See, guys, what question is saying basically? Here is the question. Hmm. What question is saying, guys? कि we have 4 letters like that. We have 4 envelopes basically. They are envelopes. They are A, B, C, and D. They are envelopes, and 4 letters. So they have unique address. It means कि A should go A, B should go B, C should go C, D should go D. But what first statement saying? Is it possible that exactly one letter goes into the incorrect envelope? Let's understand, guys. Suppose that I have put it here wrong way. So C can go here, D can go here, but where will B go? So B definitely has to go here. It means it at least 2 have to be wrong. So first is wrong. There are only 6 ways in which the only 2 letters can go into the correct envelope. Let's understand this also. So guys, hmm. So guys, question is saying that there are 6 ways in which they can go in the correct envelope. Suppose that they have gone here right address and also the right address. So A B in the right address, then they can go in the wrong. In the same way, vice versa also. So like that A B, then B C, then sorry, not like that. AB, then AC, then AD, then BC, then BD, then CD. Only 6 ways are there. You can check, guys. It means ki 2 you can correct and 2 you can incorrect. Yes. So one time 2 can go in the right envelope. So guys, actually second is right actually. The answer will be second only. Very good question, guys. And UPSC has already asked in 2025. They have repeated the same logic actually. Because this question they have asked in 2023 and they have repeated the same logic, guys. So guys, understand the logic. I repeat, don't mug up the answer, guys. Understand the logic I'm telling you. Because I'm telling the best possible simple method to solve this question, guys, actually. Otherwise, you know. And tomorrow you will have the test. Remember this thing. Read real this thing.
What is the
37.
remainder of 85, 87, 91, 95, which is divided by 100?
100. So guys, you know what? I can bring this answer within 2 seconds. But I think you guys will not be agreed. I know. See, you know what? 100. So guys, if I write this 115 and divide by the 100. So what will be the remainder? 5 because unit digit. So guys, there is a 5 and there is a 6. 5, 6 is 13. So it means the 0 will definitely come in unit digit. So 0 will the remainder. You guys are not satisfied. Now let's try another method. Guys, question is saying divide by the 100. Okay, no problem. So you divide by 5. So here 7 5 ja 85 and 25 ja 100, right? Then 9 5 ja 95 and 4 5 ja 20. Then 4 and 24 96. So here remainder is only one. So it means not remainder but only divisor. So only the zero. So the guys, there are two methods to solve this question. That's what you do actually. Read Bhagya. This.
What is the unit digit in the expansion of?
See guys, in this type of question, you find all the number. Just remember unit digit. Unit digit is 2 here, right? Unit digit. So guys, the cyclicity of 2 you have to find out. So 2, 2, 2 square, 4, and 2 cube, 8, and 2 4, 16, and 2 5 ja 32.
32.
Now see, 2 is repeated. It means it means the cyclicity of 2 is 4, right? So if there is a odd number 1, so the unit digit is 2. So guys, here 1 is there, right? So what will be that? This is the easiest method, guys, actually. Otherwise you can multiply all these number, then you will get the same number. Okay, this is the easiest method. You have to find out the cyclicity rule of any number if they are asking like that. So since 1 is there, it means there will be odd number, because you can count 9 7 the 63 I think, and 15. So 15 3 ja put 5. So 5 at last is there now. It means 5 means what? 1. So it means 2 will be there. Very good question. I like this type of question only. Yeah, just brain is required, nothing else.
If A, B, C, and D, E, F are both three-digit numbers, such that A, B, C, D, E, F are distant non-zero, such that A, B, C, and D, E, F are 1, 1, 1, then what is the value of A, B, C, D, E, F? In the place of D, you put B, you put
Hmm. So guys, you know what? Some people here be smarter actually. And what they will do? They will commit mistake actually. So you can do one thing here, guys. Question is saying you have to add A, B, C plus D, E, F. And the result is what? 1, 1, 1. Guys, they are asking the cumulative value, not single value. So guys, definitely here will be 11. Why? Because you cannot take 0, because non-zero digit. So it will be definitely 11. So 1 carry on, so it will definitely 10. 1 carry on, it will definitely 10. So 10, 10, 20, 20 plus 11, 31. No need to find individual value, guys, here. They are asking cumulative values. Read Bhagya. Hello?
D is the
Hmm.
D is a three-digit number such that ratio of number to the sum of its digit is least. What is the difference between the digit at the hundred place and the digit at the unit place of D?
See, you know what? Most of the people here will not understand the question even. How can they answer this question actually? They will not understand the question. Question is saying D is a three-digit number such that the ratio of the number to question is saying that D is a three-digit number, and if you add this three-digit number and then divide them, so ratio should be least. So guys, suppose that this is a number and this is 4, right? So here, what will the answer? 2. But I want it to be minimum. The result to be minimum. So for result to be minimum, we need to increase the denominator and decrease the numerator. For example, I will do opposite. Now I have increased the denominator, so it will be 1. So they are asking the least. It means we have to increase the denominator and decrease the numerator, guys. Okay, now let's do. This is what question is saying, guys. So so 100 digit must be minimum. So 100 digit must be 1. Now here I can take my maximum. Now count it. It will become 19, because 9 9 18 plus 19 divide, you get 8. This is the minimum, guys. If you add any three-digit number and divide by that number, so 10 is minimum, guys. So what is the difference between the unit and 100 digit? 9 and 1, 8. This is the answer. Just need to understand, guys, the question. Otherwise, there is a nothing actually. There is a nothing. Read this question.
What is the remainder if 2 to the power 192 is divided by 6?
See, guys,
192.
remainder is the favorite topic of UPSC. UPSC love this remainder actually. See, guys, we have to find out the pattern here. 2 to power 192, right? So, guys, I don't know 192 are. This is very big number, yeah. What they have given actually, but I'm smart, right? So what I will do, that I will find out the pattern, guys, and this is sure that 0 and 1 can never be the answer. I repeat, 0 and 1 can never be the answer, because 6 but 5 factor is 2 and 3. So okay, why 2 can be 0 but 3 is there, na? So 0 and can never be the answer, I know that. Now see, guys, 2 to power 1 equal to 2. Now divide by 6. So the remainder is 2 only. 2 to power 2 equal to 4 divided by 6. The remainder is 4 only. 2 to power 3 here 8 divided by 6. The remainder is 2 only. 2 to power 4 it is 16 divided by 6. The remainder is 4 only. Have you got the pattern? If it is odd, so it is 2. If it is even, it is 4. Odd 2, even 4. So 2 is what? 2 is what? Even. So the answer will be 4. This is the easiest method to solve this question. Otherwise, you can organize a program. I don't organize the program actually. Very good question. Read, Bhagya.
ABC dash dash D ABC dash DA BBCD dash ABCD.
See, guys, in these types of question, you know what? This is very easy question actually. I don't know why they have asked this question in UPSC examination. Guys, in these types of question, first of all, what you have to do, that you have to add how many digits are there. I think there are 20, right? So the combination can be either 4 or 5. So guys, let's analyze actually. So guys, A, B, C, then I can put here D. So here C will not be there. This is option. Then I can put here D. Then A, B, C, A, B, C, C. Then here A. Now you might be thinking, what is the pattern here? Yes, pattern is the guy. See, A, B, C, D, D. A, B, C, C, D. A, B, B, C, D. Double A, B, C, D. It means one duplicate in every. See here, D duplicate, right? And here C duplicate, and here B duplicate, and here A duplicate. So the answer will be D. Guys, this is the easy question. Actually, you guys solve this question, you will find out. I think this is a free question.
Why
Free
not
answer.
C part is there, Manish? C is
Yeah, there's a T,
duplicate,
C.
right?
No, so E, yeah, it will not be matched. Really, you can try yourself. Hmm. Hmm. Read, Priyal.
AB and CD are two-digit number. Multiplying AB into CD, result will be three-digit number, which is DEF. And adding that DEF to another three-digit number GHI, result into 975. Further, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I are distinct digit if E equals to 0 and F equals to 8.
Then what is it?
If
A
what
plus
is the
B
A
plus
plus
C
B
equal.
plus C equal to?
See, guys, this question is difficult actually, but be smart actually. Question is saying that K, A and B, C, D multiply, you will get D, E, F. And if you add D, E, F with G, H, I, you will get this 975. So, guys, F and I. So let's F equal to already 8, guys. So I definitely has to be 7, because 8 7 15. One carry on, right? So but equal to 0, so H has to be 6. Now D plus G equal to 9, so it can be either 8 plus 1 or 7 plus 2 or 6 plus 3 or 5 plus 4. But 8 plus 1 cannot be because 8 I have already used in F. 7 I cannot say because 7 I have already used in I. 6 I already used in EH. So I have only 5 and 4 here. So what is left for A, B, and C? 1, 2, and 3. So add them. The answer will be 6. Be smart, guys. Be smart, actually. Okay. Read Bhagya. 47.
Consider the following statement in respect of 5 candidates if you RST. Two statements are and one statement is false.
Hmm.
One of P and Q was selected for the job.
Hmm.
False statement. At least one of R and S was selected for the job.
Hmm.
The most two of RST were selected for the job.
So we have to find out the conclusion. Now listen, guys. First conclusion is at least 4 were selected for the job. Guys, R and S was selected for the job. This is false. It means R and S both was not selected for the job. And how many we have total? 5. So 5 out of 5, 2 is already not selected. So who is left? 3. Question is saying 4. First is wrong. Second, yes was selected for the job. But guys, here yes was selected for the job. This is false. So this is also false. The answer will be none.
Manish, see,
Hmm.
third true statement. At, at
No,
most two of R.
it should be right in every case, Bhagya, na? In every case. Conclusion means what? Because here R and S was selected for the job, that is false statement. So he is saying
But
yes was
Manish,
selected for the
why
job.
should see at least one of R and S here given? But both can be selected for the job. This one
I'm
also
talking
we
about
can take.
second statement, not first statement.
And second one only I'm taking, Manish.
Hmm.
At least
What?
one is a wrong, maybe. Can both can be selected for the job.
No, no, Priya. No, Bhagya. See, conclusion means no heart. Definite answer I should have. Yeah, it can be, na, but not definite, na. I'm saying that.
Then third
Hmm.
statement C, RST out of the two were selected for the job.
you
If you
don't
are
think
taking
you don't think about that now. You think about this now. You see, they are already in doubt, and now we have only 3. So how can they be? Means they are saying false statement. So we need definite answer actually. In these types of question, we have definite answer because there is one more question like that in further. You will understand there also. So there is a none. If you will think your core mind, you will get the answer. The answer will be none because we need definite answer here. Conclusion. But good question you have asked because that has to be doubt here. Hmm. Read Priya this question. Yes, here. I will tell that doubt. What you asked. Read Priya.
Let P, Q, R, S, and T have 5 statements such that if P is true, then both Q and S are true. If R and S are true, then T is false. Which of the following can be concluded? If T is true, then at least one of the P and R must be false. If Q is true, then P is true.
See guys, question is saying if P is true, then Q and S true. It means P will decide the value of Q and S. Second is saying if R and S are true, then T is false. This much they have given. Okay. Now read the first statement. If T is true, if T is true, then at least one of P and R must be false. If T is true, but here T is wrong, so let's say T is true. Then R and S, one has to be wrong. Because see, if they are true, then T is false. But if T is right, then they have to be wrong. So first is wrong, right? Right? Now see, second. If Q is true, then P is true. If Q is true, then P is true. It means Q will decide the value of P. But what we have given, if P is true, then Q is true. Guys, we cannot say vice versa. This is wrong. Hmm. Because see, if a P is true, then Q is true. That is okay. That they have given. But question is saying, conclusion, if Q is true, then P is true. I cannot say about that. Yes. Suppose that I'm giving example. Suppose that I have gone Mumbai with plane, but but is it sure that I will come back by plane only? I can come back. I can come back by train also. So guys, I cannot sure while returning. So guys, see guys, we need definite answer actually. I remember definite conclusion means definite answer. No doubt. Otherwise, make it wrong. That's why the answer will be only one here. Guys, I will take one class extra for this kind of questions. Then guys, you will understand there. Here we are running out of time. That's why I'm taking less time. Read Bhagya this question.
A cuboid of dimension 7, 5, 3 is painted red, green, blue on each pair of opposite faces of dimension 7 by 5, 5 by 3, 7 by 3, respectively. Then the cuboid is cut and separated into variant cubes. Each of side length is 1 centimeter. Which of the following statements are correct?
See
There
guys,
are exactly
yes,
15.
okay. See guys, they have already asked one question from the cube. Now they're asking the question from cuboid actually. It means UPSC love guys. This topic, please prepare this topic. So guys, I know again formula. What first question? There are exactly 15 small cubes with no paint on any face. No paint on any face. Right? So guys, there is one formula. Okay, no paint on any face. It means they are saying inside. So length minus 2 into breadth minus 2 into height minus 2. So length is what? 7. So 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Breadth means 5. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. And height means 3. So 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So 5 to the 15 means first is right. Guys, this is the formula here needed here actually. Now second is saying there are exactly 6 small cubes with exactly 2 face and one painted with blue and other with green. Guys, be smart here. Wait. I don't know how to draw the cuboid, guys, but I will try actually. Don't laugh, right? See, suppose that this is a red, and what is the other color? Red, blue, and green. Red, blue, and green. So question is saying, guys, be practical here. There are at least 6 small cubes with exactly 2 face painted, one blue and one green. So here, blue and green. Guys, always remember one thing. When they are asking 2 face, it means they are talking about edge. Because in one cuboid, there are 6 faces and 8 corner
Edges.
and 12 edge.
Edges.
Yes, right? So guys, we have 12 edge. So 12 edge, you remove the red portion. So we have at least what? 8. But
4.
here question is saying what for? We have to
See,
remove
no,
only.
remove 4 edges, remaining 4.
We have
Other
12
side
edge.
is
We have 12 edge. How many? 12 edge.
12 image.
So we have to remove only R, na?
R for that side also R is there, right?
See, the thing which you are visible Bhagya, na, that you are looking, na. But
Then
here,
how it will be 12 edges, Manish? Then
what?
if the portion which is visible, right, you are telling, then why should you consider 12 edges?
Portion.
Hmm.
See,
You are considering visible portion, right?
no,
R
no. Total age in any cuboid is 12, right?
12.
But we have to
So
find
you
the,
are
but
you
we
are
have to,
deducting.
but we have
You
to
are
find the blue and green. Blue and green.
uh,
It means 2. So it has to be more than 6 at least. Because we have to find the 2 adjacent. Now only we have to remove the 1. So total out of 6, we have to minimum we have to find the 8. So 6 definitely is not right, na. Technically, I'm speaking because there are no formula for this. I know that. They're just common sense. We have 3 colors and 12 edge. So if one color is removed, still we have 2 colors. So it should be minimum 8. But the question is saying 6. So 2 is definitely wrong. This is common sense actually. Otherwise, guys, this kind of question, you know what, you can leave